Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kids GK Time. This video is about top 12 heaviest birds in the world. Number 12. Dalmatian Pelican. Its weight is 33.1 lbs or 15 kgs. Number 11. King Penguin. Its weight is 44 lbs or 20 kgs. Number 10. Great Bustard. Its weight is 46 lbs or 21 kgs. Number 9. Trumpeter Swan. Its weight is 51 lbs or 23 kgs. Number 8. Lesseria. Its weight is 63 lbs or 28 kgs. Number 7. Dwarf Cassowary. Its weight is 75 lbs or 34 kgs. Number 6. Greater Rhea. Its weight is 88 lbs or 40 kgs. Number 5. Emperor Penguin. Its weight is 100 lbs or 46 kgs. Number 4. Emu. Its weight is 150 lbs or 70 kgs. Number 3. Northern Cassowary. Its weight is 170 lbs or 75 kgs. Number 2. Southern Cassowary. Its weight is 190 lbs or 85 kgs. The most heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich. Its weight is 346 lbs or 156 kgs. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.